You gave me an example of two identical twins, one of which was a professional athlete one time, and that really resonated with me. Could you explain that?
Yeah, so you have identical twins with the same genetics, technically. I had one gentleman that was a professional athlete. The other one was a, accountant or something like that. They had the same genetics, but there's just things beyond genetics that controls how your hormones are. So diet, for example. This gentleman had bad diet. The other person didn't have a bad diet. How they kind of do exercise. So there's factors out there. A good example is, even though your genetics may be similar, you have sex hormone binding globulin, which is a hormone that carries your other hormones through your body. This is one of the single most important factors that show that blood levels don't mean anything. And what that means is, based on your insulin level, your sex hormone binding globulin will fluctuate up and down based on polymorphism. So even though you might be an identical twin, you might have a genetic difference in your sex hormone binding globulin between that non-exercising one to the athlete. Their sex hormone binding globulin in the athlete is less binding to testosterone, so they have more testosterone available to